Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's episode, I'll show you how to log into your Bell Bank online account step by step. Whether you are using a mobile phone, tablet or computer, this process is very simple. So let's get started. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and go to the URL box at the top and type in bell.bank and search. Make sure that you end up in this official website for Bell Bank, and from the home section, go to the top right corner and tap on the login button. You'll then come across this sign in area where you need to go ahead and select your account type from the top. After you do that, get ready to enter your credentials. Type down your username in the first field and make sure to type in the username associated with your account. On the next field, write down your correct password. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking Forgot Password and following the reset process. You can also click on the Forgot Username option if you've forgotten your username as well. Once you are done typing down your correct credential, click on Login and you'll be able to log into your online banking account right away. So that's how you easily log in to Bell Bank online banking account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.